In a fast and changing world where information travels at the speed of light, the way we do business and conduct our lives is changing every day. One important force that continues to take us in new directions is the internet. From banking to business to social exchange, the web has become the main tool affecting our way of life.
The internet has made the world become smaller. It has connecting a lot of people around the world that never has spoke before. Also, if you look at a business point, it's actually very, very difficult today not to do business if you're not using the internet.
While many consumers still enjoy shopping at traditional stores, it is believed that today close to 50% of sales in the United States are made online. According to research, online retail will double in years to come, and by the year 2012, it could grow to $335 billion.
Everything is about that the consumer will get value, and you really are getting value when you're trading over the internet because you're getting the best price, you're getting the best selection, and in the world we're living in today, people don't have so much time, and it's actually very easy to trade over the internet.
This continued growth is also changing the way consumers shop online. Industry analysts say that although the general public often views online retailers as a second choice for shopping, every day more and more people are buying on the internet. Also, online shopping is no longer perceived as a seasonal activity.
If you go into a part of community, then the shop will build up a reputation, and that's create trust. And that's very important.
Innovations such as mobile technology are facilitating the online experience for consumers. These new devices hold the potential to attract more customers to virtual stores in the near future.
A lot of the stores today have their own online presence, and they'll even sell their own products at a reduced price, educating their own customers to shop online because it's more effective for everybody.
The growth of e-commerce is changing consumers' habits. In just 1 month alone, a search engine can get well over 2 billion searches. In a world increasingly interconnected, e-commerce is expected to continue to expand in the coming years, and with it also its impact in the world economy. Americans love to shop. Going from one store to another, searching for and choosing what they want is almost a ritual. Today, with the internet, it's an activity that can be done from the comfort of home, and consumers are taking advantage of it. Research shows that online shoppers are expected to double to 132 million in the next 5 years. Innovation plays an important role in the development of new technologies to satisfy consumers' demand. One company that is at the top of their game to provide value to all levels of commerce is GlobalEcommerceGroup.com, a company with the consumer in mind in the virtual world.
A lot of communications is from person to person. So those people who visit the site, who create the traffic, will bring additional traffic, especially if they see value in what you represent online.
For the average consumer, advanced forms of e-commerce are changing the way shoppers can get an item on the internet. It's no longer the game of auctions where the bids increase the price of an item. Instead, this is a reversed auction. Every time a person places a bid, it reduces the price until someone just decides to buy it.
Every time you place a bid, the price will drop on these products with 25 cents. And then you actually have the possibility to say, I want to buy the product right away, or I want to wait till the price is dropping more. Then we have the unique bid auction, and here you place some different bids, and here you try to be the lowest, uniquest bidder.
With commerce shifting to the virtual world where competition has no limits, the only solution to stand out from the crowd is with innovation and creativity.
Online shopping to me is very comfortable. I can shop in my leisure time at home. I can see exactly what I'm looking for, and it's delivered right to my door, and it's very easy and simple for me.
I used to be more of a mall shopper, to be honest, because I like to try things on, touch things, feel things, but if I'm familiar with the product, I'll go online, look around. I've got my size down pretty pat, and certain things that I know are brand name or popular, I will choose to have shipped to me now.
We use a credit to drive the price down, and using just several credits, meaning taking a look at the price. A credit allows you to look at the price of an item, and by the time I'd used my third credit, the product had dropped about $160 some odd, and I said, well, if I don't grab it now, somebody else might, and I picked it up right there.
These new forms of e-commerce are changing not just the way we shop, but the way we do business in a world that seems to become smaller. For more information, visit globalecommercegroup.com.